This is Gadgets Magazine TV, and here's the latest news.
Volvo Philippines leads the pack with fantastic deals for Volvo car enthusiasts nationwide with its Season of Savings holiday offer. Don't get left behind as a range of sleek and stunning Volvos are being offered with incredible discounts. Select Volvo models are up for grabs with as much as 1.5 million pesos off its original price. Some Volvo S90, XC40, XC60, and XC90 units get jaw-dropping markdowns from October 20 to November 30, 2020 only. Embodying style and substance, these Volvo vehicles carry the trademark badge of quality and safety the Swedish marque is known for. From the graceful dynamism of the Volvo XC40 compact SUV to the stately elegance of the S90 luxury sedan, every ride sports connectivity, ingenuity, and innovative technology. This limited offer is one way that Volvo Philippines gives back to its loyal supporters in its successful 25-year run in the country. Aside from its continued care and excellent service to its clients, Volvo Philippines always tries to find new ways to bring its first-rate vehicles closer to the market. Those who want to take advantage of this seasonal offer can get more information through the various channels that Volvo Philippines offers. Customers may course any sales and service inquiries through the dedicated Volvo Concierge. Volvo social media pages and telephone hotlines are also on call to attend to any queries. Just recently, Volvo Philippines has also opened the doors of its newly renovated showroom to the public. Guests are welcome to see the Volvo range up close, assured that the whole Volvo team observes strict health and safety protocols. Interested buyers may also schedule a test drive without worrying, as Volvo products and facilities go through regular sanitation and disinfection.